What is up, ladies and gentlemen? On today's video, we're going to be looking at my Cushman Turf Truckster Diesel golf cart. So I picked up this thing at a golf course for 400 bucks, running and driving. They just wanted it out. They updated their fleet with all new stuff, so they were just getting rid of it. It's got the dump bed, which is awesome, hydraulic, so you don't have to, be lifting it up and down by yourself. Underneath, everything actually looks quite beefy for a golf cart. I don't know if it's actually a golf cart or what you call this. I guess maybe it was a UTV before UTVs came out. I don't know. Write in the comments what you guys think this thing is, because I've been calling it a golf cart, but it just feels a little too beefy to be a golf cart. So, all steel bumpers, steel plate gear, that's all solid. Let's go over here. We got governor, high idle for the dump bed, so we're gonna hold the throttle. We got a 2-speed rear, PTO, and then it's got a 3-speed manual reverse. So you got 3 pedals, plus the 2-speed rear. So technically, I guess it's a 6-speed. Kubota D950 diesel engine. Pretty cool stuff under the, under the hood, you could say, under the seat. This place was actually running trailer brakes on it, which is pretty funny. They're probably beating the hell out of this thing. So on the dash, we got fuel gauge, voltmeter, water temperature, hour meter. What's it got? 13,564 hours. Tachometer, horn, light switch, glow plugs. Conveniently enough, it came with a cup holder for all your sodas. So I guess let's get this thing fired up for you guys. Hit the glow plugs. Always fires right up. Sounds cool too. We got clutch. First is over. And back. That's flat out first. Let's see if I can shift the one hand wheel. Second. Third. This thing probably goes almost 30-35 miles an hour. Brakes don't work so good. As far as going off-road goes, it does decent. I mean, you don't get the ride quality you get with a newer side-by-side, of course. But this thing's from, I think, the mid-90s. So, it'll go off-road. It'll do it. It's only 2-wheel drive, but it'll make it through stuff. It's just not going to give you that ride quality you get off something newer. Making this video with a broken collarbone, so bear with me for going slow here. Got a little mud.